Hey, I really need to make this thing by the end of this week.
Well, have you heard of the Bechtel Center? They make stuff like this all the time there.
Uh, I'm looking for a metal console. How would I do that?
Yeah, let me check today's calendar. So unfortunately, it seems like we're all booked out for walk-ins. Do you want me to book you in?
So, what do I need to do for the booking?
Well, first I'll have to see if you have your membership badge. So it looks like it's the first time you've been here. You'll have to scan this QR code to take the membership quiz. And just let me know when you get that done.
I just finished the membership quiz.
Awesome. Let me check to see if that went through, and I'll see what available times we have. All right, here are our available times. Would you like to pick a slot?
I think this one looks good right here.
Okay, perfect. All right, looks like you're all set. We'll see you then.
Uh, Thank you.
Yep, no problem. See ya.
Let's see when my reservation is.
Let's see what I got for work today. Hmm. Oh, looks like I have a reservation.
I'm here for my book console.
All right, let me check on that. All right, I found you. It looks like you're with Ani. Hey, Ani,
Yeah.
your reservation's here.
Oh, hey man. Uh, let's get to the consult. Okay, with that, your cam should be approved. Do you want me to book you in for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look at some times. Um, do any of these work for you?
Yeah, this looks good.
Okay, great. Let me book you in. That's it, man. You've got the slot. We'll see you tomorrow.
Uh, I'm here for my BF2 reservation.
All right, let me see who you're with. All right, it looks like you're with Ani again. Hey, Ani.
Hey, man. You're here for a reservation?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go inside. Hey, man, it looks like you need training. It seems like this is the first time you're using this machine.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to study this document here. Okay, man, do you have any questions?
No.
Did you understand the training?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to certify you. What was your email? Go ahead and type that in for me. Okay. Now you should be certified. Let's get to using the machine.